Hi, I'm Dr. Achira. A 20-year-old girl studying in the third year of pharmacy came to me with the complaints of recurrent cold. She gets this complaint once in a month since last 4 years. During the attack, she also gets headache, which is followed by the coryza, and this headache is especially in the eye region, around the eyes. On examination, there is tenderness in the frontal and maxillary sinuses. She also gets the fever during the cold and coryza. She also complains that since 2 months she has started with retrosternal burning, which is once in a month and aggravated after eating. She also has this complaint where she gets pimple and it leaves mark since 1 year. Since childhood, she said that mosquito bite also leaves marks. So this is suggestive of delayed healing or improper healing since childhood. Now, she also said that there is history of tonsillitis in childhood. She is thermally hot. Menstrual history is normal. She is obese. She was obese in her childhood, and other physical generals were normal. Her mental sphere suggestive of she was very talkative. She stays with her parents. Both parents are working, and she stays. She has no siblings. Again, she is very good at decision taking and mixes with other people easily. There is lot of thinking she does. This is a case of recurrent sinusitis. As intensity of the pain in sinusitis is very severe, we will give her acute medicine for her acute attack and a chronic medicine so that her recurrence stops. So we will give her two medicine, but we'll discuss this again further tomorrow. Thank you. Hi, I'm Dr. Achira and I will continue with the yesterday's case, that is 20-year-old girl with recurrent sinusitis. In this case, what we discussed yesterday, the location of the pain is very important, which is characteristic. So, referring Kent repertory, under the eye section, rubric eye pain extending around the eyes. Rubric eye pain extending around the eyes. I found 10 medicines, out of which Cinnabarus and Merck salt were coming very closer. That is also very prescribed easily and repeatedly in the cases of sinusitis. But Cinnabarus is the vegetable analog of Merck salt, so I prescribed Cinnabarus 200 for 3 days. After 3 days when she came, she was completely better and her complaints were relieved. I thought over her chronic remedy on following symptoms. Those were healing difficult, obesity in childhood, thermally she was hot, and affinity for respiratory symptoms. So I came up with the medicine which was Calcarea sulf. Calcarea sulf 200 TDS 3 times a day for 3 days for a week was given. That was given for 2 weeks. When after 3 months she came, she had only one episode of sinusitis and that was also in a milder form. During her attack, I gave her Cinnabarus which relieved her completely. Further, we'll discuss tomorrow. Thank you. Hi, I'm Dr. Achira. The same patient of recurrent sinusitis, 20-year-old girl, female, came to me after a year. When she came, she was better with the complaints of sinusitis and there was no recurrence as such. But this time she started with the hair fall since 15 days, which has started after doing some practical in the pharmacy lab and exposure to some chemicals. By referring Phatak repertory, there is a rubric drug abuse of. There, many remedies are indicated, but Carboveg is indicated, which is also comes in the hair fall complaints often. So, I gave her Carboveg 200 TDS and it was given for 15 days. When she came after 15 days, her complaints were better by 70%. And so I prescribed her same medicine for 1 more week and she was completely better. Thank you.